Welcome und grüezi zu Mosmatic. My name is Patrick Rieben and I'm the Managing Director of Mosmatic. We're on the assembly floor of our Swiss manufacturing facility that is located in the Neckar Valley. Today I would like to talk to you about the products that we are manufacturing and assembling at this facility. And these are used all around the world. We are very proud that even during these difficult times at Mosmatic, we're having a high demand on surface cleaning tools. Cleaning is essential, as you know, now more than ever. Public places and buildings such as train stations, parking garages, parks, but also production facilities and bus stations, they all need cleaning every day. What you see behind me here is a part of a large order of surface cleaning tools that are getting ready to be shipped. Aquila and his team, hi Aquila, are responsible for the highest quality assembling, and they're doing a great job. So thank you very much, Aquila. Thanks. Mosmatic surface cleaning tools are used to help disinfect surfaces with hot and cold water, but also steam. All surface cleaners are made of stainless steel. We only use the highest quality components which guarantee longevity and durability. Also, you can simply connect these surface cleaners to a pressure washer, so hook it up and off you go. Our goal here at Mosmatic is to support all the cleaning professionals that are helping to make this world a cleaner and safer place. That's why I would like to thank you. Special thanks to all our dealers, all the professionals and all the end users that are supporting the Mosmatic product line. If you would like to know more about this product, you can go on our website, which is www.mosmatic.com, or you can contact one of our 4 facilities that we have around the world. They're located here in Switzerland, in the US, Canada and Australia. Thanks very much for your time and stay safe.